Hello everybody, it's me, the Mind Injector. In this video I am going to tell you 7 do's and don'ts for becoming a billionaire. Becoming a billionaire seems like a great goal, but unfortunately it's only a dream for most of us. The thing is, many billionaires didn't start as such. Some indeed had economic and educational advantages, but even without those, their smart decisions and business choices plus a few key characteristics led them to their billions. Some key takeaways that we can mention is that billionaires can often fall in two classes: those who have invented something new, or those who do something else better than anyone else. Also, being a billionaire takes an extreme work ethic, and for many, quite a bit of patience. Most of billionaires are always learning, and if you have the chance to ask them, they will almost always say they are the student and not the teacher. Number 1 on the list of what we have to do to become a billionaire is invent. Inventing is a challenging career path to take, but if you've got the smarts to create successfully patent, produce and market a product that people need, you can build your future billionaire life on it. Successful inventions are unnecessarily complicated or high-tech items, but can improve existing items. For example, James Dyson invented a better vacuum cleaner, and Gianfranco Zaccai invented a better mop. Number 2 on the list of what we must do is innovate. Innovation is the fine art of considering a current mainstream market and finding a creative way to improve the current offering. Successful innovators will identify the real needs behind customer demands and meet them with a smarter, better, more efficient product or service that provides more than its competitors. Others may also develop a business that works in a way just different enough to stand out from the rest. IKEA founder Ingvar Kamprad is an excellent example of someone who used innovation to yield billions. We mostly think furniture doesn't seem like a fascinating market. Still, his approach of providing modular, economical pieces with a modern flair from Sweden to a global market proved fruitful. Number 3 on the list that we must do is invest. Self-made billionaire Warren Buffett is famous for his frugal ways and smart investments. Investing, of course, requires a little seed money and some accurate insight into which investments are smart and which could result in a loss. If you can follow in the footsteps of billionaire investors like Buffett, then this might be the route for you. Also, another thing on the list that we must do is be an entrepreneur. Starting a business and taking it to success isn't always easy. Still, for those with good business sense and the ability to spot startups that have the potential to be great, entrepreneurship can be the vehicle to great wealth. Billionaire entrepreneurs might work in one of two ways: either by coming up with a great idea and taking it all the way, as in the case of Bill Gates and Microsoft, or by spotting someone else's good idea and investing in it early on. Both are viable ways to reach the success that can get you billions of dollars for your net worth. Now, talking about the don'ts on the list. Number 1 is don't think you know it all. The moment you think you have nothing left to learn is the moment you kill your potential for becoming a billionaire. Especially if you're interested in building your wealth through inventing or innovating, you have to be curious, open-minded, and always learning. Those qualities allow you to look at all things in a new way, to see the potential for change and profit where others see only what already had been done. Number 2 on the list of don'ts is don't make flashy investments. The latest and greatest investment opportunity may be fun to talk about, but one of the pitfalls of would-be billionaires is to jump in on the next big thing, which doesn't always turn out to be so big. Real estate, energy, steel, telecommunications, pharmaceutical, and energy are among the picks, while high-tech and intriguing but risky options may go either way. Last one on the list is don't quit too soon. Entrepreneurial types who succeed realize that success rarely comes overnight. One business idea might not pay off, but the next might. You must know that it's not easy to build something from scratch, especially when your something is a fortune of billions. You must remember that time is on your side if you don't rush it. While some billionaires started out that way via inheritance, many did not. they started earning their billions through inventing entrepreneurship and smart investments. Though it may end up being a dream for many, some, such as Warren Buffett, have managed to make the dream a reality. This is it for this video guys, thanks for watching and please make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below.